In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best spindle sanders in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which spindle sanders is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Carebac 99515 Pneumatic Line. 20 parts including 19 shaped blocks that place to the device for mechanical sanding or deal with for hand sanding, 2 baseboards for level sanding and a hard shell bring instance. Flat and shaped expansion block for tough to reach areas, inside louvers, interior holes, and forms, with an extra soft user interface for getting into locations where flat sanders will not get to. Deal with an add-on for hand sanding and also a starter pack of sandpaper in 3 grits. Uses pneumatically driven air power, 6,000 RPM, 90 max PSI air intake 0. 11 cm 3. 9 CFM. Uses hook as well as loop sandpaper. For additional sandpaper, use Carebac Stearate lightweight aluminum oxide component numbers 66830, 66832, 66833, 66834, 66835, 66836, 66838 with 66841. Perfect for balusters, handrails, timber moldings, countertop sides, and also several other applications. Carebac makes a full line of abrasives for the automotive, woodworking, marine, glass and marble industries. We also lug a line of devices to be used with our common items. Our ingenious layouts are the perfect start to the perfect finish. All items are 100% contentment, see guidebook for information. Here is the item number 4, WorkPro Disc Belt Sander. Belt and disc sander. This mix sander is professional for your woodworking, consisting of 1x 30-inch belt and also 5-inch disc, with extra 3 PCS 100 grit belts and 3 PCS 80 grit discs, which can be made use of for sanding jobs on different products. Flexible conveniently, the sanding disc worktable can be adjusted from 0 to 45 degrees to meet your various angle requirements. Utilizing it with a miter gauge appropriate for contour sanding as well as shaping. Terrific sanding devices for woodworking and all your do-it-yourself requirements. Effective sander. The benchtop belt or disc sander is driven by electric motor straight, offering 3160 fpm of belt rate and 3450 rpm disc speed, which shows powerful efficiency than the traditional style. Sturdy cast iron base. This fining sand equipment is equipped with strong actors iron base that could fix on the workbench to stop resonances, supplying stability as well as boosting job efficiency. 2 dust ports. This belt and disc sander is geared up with 2 dust ports, accumulating the dust from the belt as well as the disc, which can maintain your work environment much cleaner. This power combination disc and belt sander is a good device for your woodworking as well as other expert applications. With 3160 fpm of belt rate as well as 3450 rpm disc speed, it provides you with more powerful sanding equipment on your timber projects. The item number 3, Shopfox W1668 Combination. Motor, 1 or 3 HP, 120 volt, 1725 rpm, 4 amp, belt dimension, 1 inch by 42 inches, disc size, 8 inch, belt rate, 3000 fpm, table tilt, 0 to 45 deg. This combo belt or disc sander features 2 tilting cast iron tables with miter ports, 2 2-inch dust ports, and also the ease of a single handle for belt monitoring. Both tables turn to 45 deg. For a variety of fining sand as well as sharpening applications, and also the flexible miter gauge guarantees accurate angle setups. When it concerns flexibility in a benchtop sander, this maker does it all. When it involves convenience in a benchtop sander, this equipment does it all. Both tables turn to 45 degrees, for a selection of sanding and also developing applications. Model W1668 includes 2 2-inch dirt ports for simple connection to a shop vacuum cleaner or dirt collector. The adjustable miter gauge makes sure accurate angle settings. A 1 or 3 HP capacitor start induction electric motor powers the 1-inch by 42-inch belt and 8-inch disc with any kind of sanding chore. Single knob belt tracking makes changes a breeze, as well as the cast iron building and construction. Use the weight or resilience you require. Number 2 in our list, Shopfox W1668 spindle. Motor 3 or 4 HP, 110 volt, 1725 RPM, pin speeds 2503050 RPM. Drill chuck 5 or 8 inch. Spindle traveling 3 to 1 or 4 inch. Swing 13 to 1 or 4 inch. Consists of a 3-piece pin sander drum kit with a mandrel and 80 grit fining sandpaper to fit the 1-inch, 1 to 1 or 2 inch and also 2-inch drums. Similar to its little brother, this 12-speed drill press doubles as an oscillating sander that can be made use of for efficient contour sanding. With even more rates, even more power, and also even more ability, this maker becomes an effective device for larger use. The table has a clearance hole for usage while fining sand. This creative layout incorporates a dust collection port so your sanding tasks are less untidy. With a 3 or 4 inch drilling capacity in steel, you'll be able to deal with almost any kind of drilling task as well. The W1668 provides the capability to turn the table 90 degrees to both the left and also right. You can change the table elevation and tilt to suit workpiece height or attain special drilling or fining sand angles. You can also move the table off the beaten track and also use the drill press base as a table for drilling or sanding. The top one in our list, Ingersoll Rand 317A Heavy. Powerful efficiency, with an 18,000 RPM electric motor, as well as built-in power regulatory authority, you can bet this portable air sander works as well as its bigger equivalents. Applications: the IR317A is an affordable high-speed sander that is excellent for light sanding, plume edging, and also rust removal. Complete control, with variable speed and a gun grip design, you can exercise full control over your device, and its lightweight building and construction makes it easy to handle for prolonged durations. Much better accessibilities: with a 5-inch pad, this orbital sander is fantastic for little tasks as well as operation in hard-to-reach locations. Requirements: 2 backing pads are included. 3-inch pad as well as 5 pad, as well as typical air usage, is 12 CFM. The Ingersoll Rand 317A is a cost-effective high-speed air sander that is ideal for light sanding, feather bordering, as well as rust removal. With an 18,000 RPM motor and built-in power regulatory authority, it functions as well as its bigger equivalents. It has the capacity to prepare surfaces for near remarkable problems. Developed for power and also sturdiness, the 317A fulfills every one of your sanding as well as brightening needs. It features a 0.45 horsepower high-speed motor that helps you tackle your largest tasks and also conserves your time. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best spindle sanders amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.